Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. If I'm not, then I will be. Listen, if you new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun and funky. If you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, listen, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. I hope you watch this video all the way to the end so you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I could go about giving you all her details at the end of this video. So come on, let's go. Put Miss Thing all the way together. Alright folks, we are back at it again, but this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and review not an actual wig, but some crocheting hair from Outre. Now this is the butterfly locks and the stress locks from X-Pression Twisted Up. I got her in the color 2T1B/30, and she is the springy afro twist. Springy afro twist, and she's in 12 inches. She comes pre-separated and pre-fluff. She comes in many different colors like the 11Bs. She is made of 100% cancaline, soft on skin and ultra lightweight. Matches your kinks and curls. Idea for butterfly locks, distress locks, ponytails. Pre-separated and pre-fluff for easy installation. Like I said before. Let's get into things that are necessary to do a crochet look. First, you need this tool. You can find it at the beauty supply store. It's a hook latch. Then you need some scrunchies, a pair of scissors, some kind of gel. I'm using the Eco Styler one with Flexi's conditioner because I like to condition my hair underneath these braids, and She So Bomb hair gel. So I saw this look on YouTube Shorts, and I thought it was such a cute look, and I decided to do it myself, but with some more affordable hair. I'm gonna post a picture of exactly the look that I'm talking about. I did something a little bit different, but pretty much what you do is you section your hair into two, and you put the back into a ponytail as well as the front. But I'm going to show you the back first before I get to the front. So I'm sectioning off the hair, and this is the amount of hair that I'm using. And I'm literally going to put the crochet hook through my hair to the other side. Grab the hair in the hook, close the latch, and pull the hair through. And then take that hair, it's kind of like I'm tying a knot, and pull it through the little hoop and down. That is the processing, and I'm planning on doing that throughout the whole back of my head. As you can see right here, I was able to get a closer look of what I'm doing. So hair on the latch, close the latch, pull it through your hair, open up the little loop with your fingers, and grab the hair on the other side and pull. And that is literally it, folks. Trust me when I say you don't have to use a lot of hair. I only use one pack. This is full enough where it will completely cover the whole back of your hair. So here I'm just sectioning two little pieces on both sides of my hair so I can actually put braids here. And then I'm pulling back my hair now. It was very short in the front. This took a lot, but putting on the Eco Styler gel to slick that back and putting it up in a bun-like situation. Don't judge me, my hair is on a struggle bus. I know, I've been trying to grow it since I've had these two kids, and I've gone through hair falling out to cutting my hair completely off to going like straight bald, and here I am just trying to figure out how to maneuver with my natural hair and this heat in Florida. So here is what you do next. For the top of your hair, you're going to get a bunch of the crochet hair And literally, and I should have showed you on camera, but of course, like a dummy, I did not. Literally tie a head tie, a scrunchie, through the hair so that you can actually wrap that around your little bun bun. Because my, don't make fun of me, my little bun bun on top to give it a nice full look. And I'm going to show you how that looks in a minute. Okay, so here I am taking that scrunchie that has the crochet hair on it and just literally wrapping it around the bun that I have on the top. I should have did this in a better way. I had to pretty much twist it because I'm slow. I had to pretty much twist it around just to, there you go, here I am twisting it around. Just to make it look like something because, of course, I messed this up somehow or the other. If you want to go ahead and secure it even more, you can add more scrunchie to the bun on top just to give it a secure look. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish fixing up this look, fluffing out the back, and yeah, come right back. Let me give you my thoughts on this hair. I actually really like this hair a lot. The fact that it actually matches my hair and my texture to the T is crazy. Now, she does say that she's actually soft, but for me, she's a little bit on the... In the beginning, she starts off soft, but then she gets really... She feels rough. So don't have nobody playing with your hair, if that makes sense. But other than that, this was a real cute hairstyle. The only mistake I made was not buying a longer. I should have probably got an 18-inch instead of a 12-inch, but she still came out super duper cute. I mean, baby, like, this is probably a style that will last you for a week if you maintain it right. And after that, you know, you can go about twisting your hair with this hair and she would give you another look as well. I'm really feeling this cute look, as you can see, and I would do this again definitely. Now, all I needed was 1 pack of hair, and that cost me like $10 at the beauty supply store. I mean, you can't go wrong with this look. You can actually dress her up, dress her down. She is definitely summertime fine, okay? And she's not too long on my back, so this is, for me, this was perfect. Even though I said I should have done an 18-inch look, but this was perfect for me. So yeah, guys, and that's it. Let's just get ahead and get into the outro on this. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you're feeling her or if you're not. Would you rock this hairstyle or no? Because baby, I rocked her for a whole week and I was getting compliments off of compliments off of compliments, and I'll do it again, okay? Listen, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload another naturalista like this one. She bad and she look good. She look the F good. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. See you in my next video. Bye.